Hello, my name is Ryan Laurie. I live in Guelph, Ontario, Canada, and I'm reviewing the Graco TrioGrow SnugFit car seat. This is an absolutely amazing car seat. It's one of the sturdiest car seats I've ever seen. As you can see, look, I'm shaking it, and it has like no movement. It's very solid. This bar, which you use in rear-facing mode, provides a lot of stability for the baby. I have it hooked in my car with the EAS system, which is really great in this one because there's two buttons here that you pull. You get underneath the car seat, and you have this SnugLock bar. This SnugLock bar, when you first put it in, you won't think that it's very tight, but once you push the SnugLock bar down, it tightens up beautifully. It has fantastic head protection for the baby, and our child is a little bigger than most other kids his age, so he's already had to transition out of the bucket seat. So we got this one, and it works fantastic. We've taken him for a couple drives in the car. He's fallen asleep right away. It's super comfortable, super easy to install, super easy to follow the instructions on how to have it set up. And it's really good. The only thing I had to do is did have to put a towel underneath it due to my seats being leather. So just pay attention to that. And there's even a little slot right in here for the instruction manual, so you won't lose it. Really great car seat. I would really recommend the Graco Trio Snug car seat for anyone who's looking for a really durable, strong car seat with strong side impact, really snug, really comfortable for the baby. My baby's a little bit on the bigger side, and he fits beautifully in it, really comfortable for him, sleeps, gets really tight, super easy to install. Just overall a really fantastic car seat.